comprehensive packaging machinery line for contact lenses. Custom molding machines. Conveyor system for mold storage. Color printing with automatic detection system. Super precision filling. Ultraviolet and thermo-curing equipment. Array delensing in wet-dry process. Automatic loading hydration system. Automated optical inspection system for total monitoring and control. Automatic visual positioning thermal system. Blister packing system for loading, filling, and sealing. High-speed cartoning with glue application.